Hey awesome ones, Heather here, and I have a question for you. Isn't it time for us to kind of change out the same old casual clothes and get something new and more modern? Well, today I have different outfits for different occasions, and they're all ranging from like going out for lunch with friends to puddle jumping. Yeah, I said puddle jumping. I've got outfits and I've thrown in a little bit of fun, a little bit of fashion. It all starts in just a few seconds. So let's start out with a chic look for business casual or maybe an upscale kind of meeting with friends. Now I'm going to be showing pants, but those are for people in the colder climates. But if you're in the warmer climates, you could also change it out for maybe a pencil skirt or even a nice pair of tailored Bermuda shorts. Anyway, let's take a look. So here I am in a new double-breasted jacket and also new trousers that I just bought. And I'm keeping myself looking slimmer looking by wearing a black silhouette, and take a look at that lining. It's all lined. And also the shoes. Let's talk about the shoes that I'm wearing because they are more of a skin tone color, which really helps me look taller and leaner. And by the way, since I got a lot of these fashion pieces just recently, I'm going to be putting the links in the description and also in the comments, and if you like them, they should still be available for you. Now, I just wanted to mention about those new kind of trouser pants. They're new for me, first time showing them to you, and they've got stretch in them. And those shoes, those flats that I showed you, they're more or less like a skin tone color, so they also give the illusion of adding some height. So just thought I'd throw that in there. Now, the next outfit that I want to show you actually involves the jacket that I have on right now. It's a great jacket for if you're going to an event that, you know, involves being outside a little bit, or maybe even a casual lunch. Let's take a look. Now this is a very youthful look without us appearing like we're trying too hard. And this moto jacket is still really trending. It's available in many other colors. It's very lightweight because it's faux fur, and the pants, well, they're stretchy. These are new trousers that I bought. They're available in lots of different colors. And take a look at these boots. They do have a zippered side. They're by Skechers, so they're very comfortable. And the jacket itself, it's lined and it does have working pockets, which is always great. And stay tuned till the end of the video when our little Yorkie will make his cameo appearance in his brand new casual jacket, by the way. And by the way, if you're enjoying these videos, please subscribe. I'm almost at 100,000, like I'm that close right now. And to all of you who have subscribed, thank you so much. And don't forget to click on the bell, and then you'll be notified when my videos are out. So let's take a look at my next outfit, and this could take you almost anywhere in the cooler weather. I actually saw this jacket on one of the Hallmark Christmas movies. How many of you watched the Hallmark Christmas movies? I don't know. Every time I watch them, I feel really like it's a feel-good thing, right? So put in the comments if you watch them too. But I saw this jacket. It was a navy and it had gold zippers. It's a puffy jacket, but it just doesn't make me look like the Goodyear blimp. So let's take a look. Now this jacket, I just love it. It's available in lots of other colors. It has a faux fur collar, and you can see I don't look like a blimp in it at all. It also has a very reasonable price. And of course I'm wearing this with the jeans that I love, those Lee jeans with a higher waist. They're pull-on pants, super stretchy. And by the way, you're invited to join me. We're just kind of hanging out like girlfriends, chatting and browsing different things. And I'm live at Amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 every Wednesday at 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And again, we're just kind of hanging out like girlfriends. We're chatting, we're browsing some fashion, we're browsing maybe some makeups and skincare, and maybe even some gift-giving items. Anyway, I've got another outfit for you, and this is the double denim look. It's really, really trending right now. It took me a while to get used to it, but I think I've got a good look here. So here I'm wearing the classic style jean jacket by Lee. And although you could wear jeans with this, I chose a jean skirt, especially for the women watching in the warmer climates. Also, I have a little purse there. It's a Herschel purse, and sometimes that's all you need for walking. And this jacket is stretchy, and the skirt has that waistband that stretches, and it's just a great look for whatever you want to do. Now my next outfit are for those, festival days or walking days where it might even rain. Now don't just look out the window and say, oh, look at those clouds, and cancel everything. This outfit, whether you layer it with lots of warmth underneath or just a little if you're in those warmer climates, it's going to be perfect. So you might want to even just put an umbrella in your handbag, but let's take a look. And this rain wind jacket, it's available in lots of different colors, and it's got a little special something that I'm going to mention in just a moment. Of course, it has a hood, and it also has pockets, and here's the special item. It folds up into a little pouch like this. Isn't that great? It's just wonderful for putting in your purse or having for an emergency rain day. And check out my t-shirt. It's the Awesome One t-shirt. We just designed it for you. It's available in lots of other colors, and I'm so excited about all of you, the awesome ones. And also these pants. These are Go Walk pants by Skechers. They're stretchy, and those are the puddle jumping boots that I mentioned. Here they are. And I think this is an awesome look. So someone else who likes to keep cozy and warm in his little jacket. I didn't realize that we're actually kind of blending into each other here, but it's our little Hurricane, and I know a lot of you love little Hurricane. Let's face it, they're wonderful little fur babies, aren't they? All right, so I wanted to talk just for a second about how self-care isn't selfish, and what I incorporated in this video is having some fun. And I think it's time for us to kind of put the to-do list to the side and maybe bring out our fun list and maybe book some time with friends, or maybe even a little bit of puddle jumping. But I really want you to enjoy every single season. Keep it maybe a little bit modern with your fashion. Feel a little bit more youthful. And by all means, keep it awesome.